Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant exam result is declared and we are receiving the virtual interview update from Cognizant. This is related to second phase. So in the video we will discuss about everything. Interviews are also ongoing and I will share the experience for all of you. So first of all, you can check out the video of Cognizant. You can simply go to playlist section of our channel where you will find the Cognizant 2025 hiring playlist, where you will find the GenC interview started 10 my interview experience. It will very helpful for everyone. Okay, so one of the candidate who sent me this update that bro received interview mail. I am 2025 pass out, attempted communication on 5th, aptitude on 8th May, coding round on 12th May. That is a technical assessment and my experience: communication good, aptitude less than 22, games 14, 15, 10, 20 levels, coding 2 SQL, 1 Java, HTML done, means 2 plus 1 plus 1 Java plus 1 total. So total 4 question is done by candidate. So there is a high chances that candidate received the update from Cognizant team and now candidate received this type of update, eligible for virtual technical interview. Dear candidate, greetings from Cognizant. We are pleased to inform that you have been shortlisted for next step in hiring process and you are eligible for virtual interview between 16th May to 23 May. One most important point that I have to mention in today's video, like you will receive your interview update in just one day. Okay, suppose tomorrow is 16 May, so you can also receive your interview update just before 2 hours of your interview. So be ready for that. You have to check your mails regularly. That is very important because many of the candidates missed their interview, okay, due to this. So the thing is, you will receive further details such as final interview from Superset. Kindly keep a close check on your registered email ID. Please note that Cognizant has a zero tolerance policy towards any malpractices. Okay, please be available online at least 30 minutes. Bring a college ID card if available, copies of resume, 10th 12th diploma, UG PG original mark sheet, degree provisional certificate, industry aggregated certificate if available. Dress in formal attire, communicate in English only, be prepared to discuss your experience. Click here to do the system check, and this is the don'ts. Okay, first of all, one most important point that I have to mention, you will receive this type of mail: your interview with Cognizant has now been scheduled for the following interview slot, like this. At least 10 minutes before your slot timing, log in to Superset account. You have to log in to Superset account, then your interview will be started. This is 10 my interview experience. Firstly, tell me about yourself. Interviewer is focusing on cluster. As I already said that whatever cluster is assigned to you, cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3, they will check your knowledge. Okay, I had told I know C++, so he told me the profile is for Java. So I told him I know basics of Java, and he asked me class and interference in SQL. He asked me what is primary key and foreign key. Distinct keyword is different from primary key. All the type of join he asked and what is join. And there is compiler in Superset where he wrote s1 dot equals to s2. I had answered but I had forget why this has different output. So he explained to me, and at last he asked, are you ready to reallocate? I told him yes sir, this was my experience. One of the candidate, many of the candidates selected from our channel. Hi Lokesh, I received offer letter today morning, GenC role. I completed my interview on 23rd April. I also got logo mail. I have been following your channel and videos since the registration process. Thank you so much for guidance. So what is the interview experience? Self introduction, Python code, even code and reverse string, SQL join and explain any two. Data types in Python, which data types are mutable, immutable. Situation based question, suppose if you face problem in project, you are working, like you getting error in project, how you will manage the manager, lead and customer. If you have a Java in project, you can learn and go through the project, or will you wait for Python as you know Python? This is the situation based question is asked. Are you reallocate to Chennai, Coimbatore? Are you work to any shift? Are you willing to join from May 1? Just to finish in 20 minutes. I preferred Python cluster in registration. I received technical assessment in Python only, and my interview also happened based on Python question. So cluster based interviews are ongoing. Candidate mentioned once again, thank you bro. So the thing is, you have to be prepared for your experience. Cognizant interview question: self intro, project, reverse the string, odd or even, list versus tuple, comparison operator, copy by reference, what is try, type of SQL query, how to find duplicate value, how to add column, HR question, if your project deadline is tomorrow, now how many bugs, what you can do. There are 4 questions she asked me. How did you approach a new technology tool, team project, are you able to work, reallocation, ID proof. Okay. Next is related to just complete my interview. Questions are introduction, project, technology used in project, which technology I am comfortable, React question, MongoDB question, REST API, how to connect backend with frontend. They are checking your project related knowledge. What is OOPS? Okay, object oriented programming concept. Write Java code to find the second highest number in array using stream. Explain the method used in above code, Spring Boot, annotation, controller, etc. So you have to be ready for the coding question, you have to be ready for the SQL related question, you have to be ready with the object oriented programming, database management system, operating system. Okay, basic question they will ask. Okay, and the projects is very important. So this is the current experience of Cognizant, and you have to appear for your interview as soon as possible. I hope you like the video. Wish you best wishes for your technical interview, and let's crack the Cognizant opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.